Money back from Vinted. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get money back from Vinted. So let's get started. First, open the conversation with the seller. As soon as the item is marked deliver, go to your chat with the seller. Tap I have an issue within 2 days. You must do this within 2 days of delivery. This pauses the order and holds your payment. Now try to resolve the issue with the seller. Discuss the problem directly in the chat. The seller may offer a solution, maybe a refund return. If needed, involve Vinted support. Tap view issue details. Click continue. Contact us to bring Vinted into the conversation. Follow the instructions provided by Vinted or the seller. Ship the item back using the method they require. Once the return is confirmed, Vinted will refund you to your original payment method. Here is a warning: do not tap everything is okay unless you are completely satisfied. Doing so completes the order and ends your buyer protection, making refunds much harder. And that's how you will be able to get money back from Vinted.